Now I'm going there to the top of the tallest building in Bangkok in Thailand. And there is something cool called Skywalk. Some nice cars over here, even the Bentley, because there are a few nice hotels around. But the building it's called King Power Mahanakhon. Ticket costs you 880 bahts in the ticket section like this, and then you have also packages. Seems like they also have some sort of rides. However, every attraction today is already sold out. I'm happy with my ticket. And a little bit quite big queue as well. So technically 880 bahts for this attraction. 74th floor, 292 meters. Let's have a look. And from the 75th floor you have to walk to the 78th, and you got the special socks. Make sure you can walk, but I believe it's very worth it. I hope so. But don't worry, there's also the lift, but they didn't let me in, I don't know why. Alright, this is it, the first view. There is the bar, so you can have some drink or snack. Here we go, rooftop, 314 meters, highest Bangkok floor. This is it, I managed to the top. However, it's so busy, definitely much more busier than in other countries where I've been in the places like this one last time in Malaysia. This is a little bit like an Instagram versus reality about the floor, glass floor, skywalk. I'm gonna get there, I hope so. Had to put some special socks on my shoe. Okay, let's go. Oh, a lot of people. Woo. A lot of people indeed. Crazy, but the sunset time should be right now. It's the time for sunset actually right now, but the amount of people is unbelievable here, actually so crazy indeed. Also, you have to leave your bags here, so be careful of that. Pretty weird, but it is how it is, probably for safety reasons. The lovely security filming for me because you are not allowed to bring the camera, but check this out, it's like a 300 meters on the floor. And I'm walking so peacefully, no stress, no fear at all. But don't look down. Oh, I'm alright. Okay, that's so cool. And you can walk actually pretty everywhere. So cool. Looks good. So it's pretty cool place. I have a mixed feeling a little bit because I don't really understand why you cannot bring even the phone and show how you are working. You know, that's really cool. I did it like in the KL Tower in Malaysia and was no problem, but seems like here you cannot. So it's a little bit disappointing, but I believe this is for safety reasons, so totally understandable. Anyways, the view is really worth it, so worth the try. The view is really spectacular, especially overlooking the Bangkok River. I'm gonna show you slowly a little bit of the view because it's actually quite hard to get the space here, so you have to wait in the queue. That's how it looks like, panorama of Bangkok. There is the ICONSIAM Mall where I'm gonna go after that, the river. And the sunset was like 10 minutes ago, I guess, so it's pretty cool. Beautiful. Also there is the cafe or bar, so you can have chill with your friends or alone. Actually, if somebody is easier to make a pictures of you. I'm alone, so it's a little bit difficult. So sorry for the shots. I need to show you only landscape without myself. It's also very cool if you are looking down. I was really feel very comfortable on the glass floor. However, I couldn't film it myself. Like is the security helped me anyway. So always remember to come with somebody. It will be much easier for you. That's for sure. That's my tip. I'm gonna have my drink, enjoy a little bit of view, and I will see you in different location, but I need to come back in time for about 2 hours, so here we go. The super fancy skywalk, whoa, I got dizzy already. What you saw was over there, this fancy looking building. And now I just arrived to the ICONSIAM mall, which is considered probably as one of the best malls in Thailand, in Bangkok. And well, on the Google they saying as this is the mothers of malls in Bangkok. And somewhere there, over there, where is the top floor of the ICONSIAM logo and the beautiful glass wall is the biggest Starbucks in Thailand. And I don't really mind as it's the biggest Starbucks in Thailand. It's cool, but it's probably one of the coolest Starbucks in the world. One of the best view from the Starbucks in the world, overlooking panorama of the Bangkok and the Bangkok River, like this one. So let's check this out, what is inside. When you enter here, definitely you can feel this is very nice looking mall. They have a many section, fancy section and a normal section, but overall everything looks here like a fancy and nice. Look at the decor of this cafe, restaurant, Thai cuisine, so cool. So if the entrance lobby at the first shop's looking cool, the Starbucks on the 7th floor definitely have to look cool. Second floor or M floor with the fancy brands like a Louis V and so on. Even the ceiling is beautiful. If you like malls, you definitely should come and visit this place. It's really beautiful. One of the best malls I ever visited. It's really beautiful looking mall. And if you don't like the malls at all, even you hate the malls, you still should come to this place and having a look, because this mall is something different than just the mall. It's an experience. Even the restaurant sections look super cool. Let me know in the comment section if you would like me to make a separate video about this specific mall, because wow, it looks really cool. Look at this one. I believe this cinema over here must be also super cool. And here we go, this is the biggest Starbucks in Thailand with the coolest views from the Starbucks. Let's check this out inside. Like most of the modern Starbucks, reserved, having a nice lobby with 2 bars where you can make an order and so many options with buying. This is the bar of reserve, and there you can go up and there is the window. 7th floor still you have a terrace where you can get out with your coffee and overlooking the panorama and river of Bangkok. River and panorama of Bangkok, and seems like so many chilled people are here. And I'm not surprised because it's really, really extremely cool place. And this is just the Starbucks. So cool. And you know what is cool? This is non-smoking zone. Let's get to the 8th floor. This is little story of this Starbucks from the Shanghai Roastery. And here we go, this is the terrace. View of the Bangkok River panorama, and you're going up by the stairs like this one, wooden stairs. I'm gonna make a one shot with the white lens. How does it look like inside? It's actually on the top of the mall. This is also a little bit of the stories everywhere around from different countries where they're producing the coffee, and the views overall are like this one. Really cool place to be, and many people making pictures around. Even have a car showroom. Here we go, we have a BMW Minis. And hello! That's so cool. There is also, of course, the huge Apple store for your stuff. And I'm very curious, what is this percentage coffee shop? Maybe you know something, you can let me know. Seems like a cool, modern, new place for having a coffee. Overall, you can find so many cool cafes, restaurants, shops, and entertainment in this mall. Let me know, like I said, in the comment section if you would like me to make a special video about just specific this mall. However, definitely I'm gonna make at the end of my journey in Thailand a video about the top 5 malls in Bangkok. So stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, tomorrow I'm going to Phuket for a week, and then I come back to Bangkok. So in case if you wanna see more from Bangkok, that's gonna be after 1 week. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go home, prepare for my flight, and I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya, take care.